Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page category. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your Facebook application. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. And now first of all, tap on the top right side 3-line menu bar option, and then here you can see 777 is your Facebook page. If you don't find here, just scroll down and if finally you get a page option, just tap on this page and finally you find your Facebook page. So just tap on your page, and now here you can see this is your Facebook page. And if you want to change your Facebook page category, so just tap on the top right side settings option. Here you can see a settings option, just tap on this settings option. Okay, after that you need to go page info. Here you can see page info, just open it, and after that here you can see category. Here you can see category, just tap on this category. And if you want to delete previous category or cancel previous category, just cancel it like that. And now if you want to add more category or change category, just tap on add category. And after that here you can see suggest category, like you can search anything from here like that. Gaming. If you search anything from here, then finally I am finding gaming. Here you can see I get a category gaming video creator. Just tap on this. Look at this, it's already added. So in this way you can add more category and then tap on the top down save option. That's it. Now your Facebook page category already changed. So in this way you can change your Facebook page category very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.